Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sada, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is making food by plant. Making food by plant mainly is photosynthesis process picture. I will show you how to draw it easily. Look, first give this type of line and draw the root. Okay, and give here a straight line, and this one is water, where it plant take water, this water is this. Give the another stem, first give the stem and then give the leaf. A lot of students draw leaf very small. Don't do this. Draw the leaf in a big size, at least life size. From sun, a plant get light and heat, so it's very important to draw the sun. This one is the full topic. Without sun, your topic is incomplete. So dear student, this is not your homework, just practice at your home. No more today. Thank you.